What makes an Allison fully automatic transmission so special? An Allison fully automatic transmission allows fleets to free themselves of the mechanical clutch and its pedal. With general wear and tear and unintentional driver abuse, the mechanical clutch wears out and requires replacement. Thanks to Allison's patented torque converter, an Allison automatic experiences almost no wear. The unique fluid coupling design of Allison's torque converter smoothly multiplies torque, delivering more power to the wheels at launch with virtually no power interrupts during shifting. Manual and automated manual transmissions cannot multiply torque at launch and lose power with every shift, hurting productivity and a fleet's bottom line. With their superior design, Allison automatics enable a fleet to be more productive. Fleets can operate at higher average speeds and haul more loads. Increase driver comfort and awareness. Drivers can stay focused on their surroundings and not worry about what gear they're in. Improve maneuverability. Allison's torque converter smoothly delivers power to the wheels, allowing vehicles to operate more efficiently in soft soil, loose gravel, and slippery mud environments where manuals will bog down. Increase driver control. Allison transmissions provide more control on steep grades. Expand their driver pool. Allison automatics are easier to operate, providing more access to drivers and lowering training and onboarding costs. While an Allison automatic may cost more initially, the savings stack up on the job. Fleets experience reduced maintenance and repair costs and spent more time on the road. Factor in all lifecycle costs, higher retail resale value, and increased productivity, and you'll see how Allison transmissions can help you dramatically increase what a fleet can achieve, while lowering the total cost of ownership. Give manuals the boots. Free the left foot by converting to Allison automatics.